Hi, Assalamu alaikum. This is NasraTaj from my YouTube channel, NasraTaj Not So Perfect. Actually, today I took a shower. How I take a shower is a big problem because I don't have any geyser to warm the water, so I um, put an electric rod inside a bucket and then I mix it with cold water, and then my kitten is roaming around, and it's what I wanted to say was that I have made a video of one of my DIY projects. This is a box, and inside this box I can put different things at a time. See, I have put this is my lip gloss, this is my chewing gum, and this is a gift I got from a friend. I'm going to show it to you. I'll be putting up a video of how I made this box. It's a very useful box. It was like lying in junk. It was just a cardboard box which I covered with velvet, and then I put this flower on it. You see that? I hope it's very nice. I love it, and I usually put it beside me on my table. That's where it is lying, and whenever I need my lip gloss or something, I just take it out and use it. I have a small scissor in it. Simple things like that. Okay, I'll be putting up a video of how I made it. Now I want to show you what is my kitten doing right now. Just look at her. What's she doing? What's she doing? She's playing with my... Oh my god, she's playing with that wind chimes I have put on my curtains. She's literally, oh my god, trying to hang with it and pulling it down. I always want somebody to move these wind chimes because I can't open the window. And that makes it like it's not easy. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my god, she's so cute. Oh my goodness. She has thrown a few things from my chester. That's a problem. That is a problem. Anyways, that's what she does. You have to get used to a kitten if it's... Okay, I got this very nice gift from a friend. What do you want? Look at her. Next, come around. Look at this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Look at this. Like, you can open and you can use it as a pillbox, but I'm going to use it for my small tiny earrings or ear studs. I'll be putting them in this one. So I just wanted to show you these two things and a little bit of what my kitten is doing. It's growing day by day, and it's very, very cute. So this is a gift I got from somebody. a very sweet friend of mine. She gave it to me and I like it very much. And then I want to show you how I made that box. My next video is going to be how I did all that DIY thing, how I covered it. I'll be explaining it with that. Okay then, see you later.